Whatever work you do, you just propagate. That's it. Not necessary that you have to be attached to bigger corporate hospitals. So I tell them that attach to smaller hospitals, but don't get lost. For that, you need to do branding, and for that, you need to learn that. And there is only one academy which is teaching, the Doctorpreneur Academy. Join that.
Hello, welcome to another episode of Hall of Fame interviews. Today we have with us Neha Singhania. Neha Singhania is a gynecologist. She has done a MS and DNB in gynecology and MR surgery also. She has done fellowship in gynecology. She is with us. She is a budding doctor in Mumbai and she does freelancing right now and she is going to open her clinic and nursing home very soon. She's got a company of her fiance who is doing hospital admin, so hopefully her hospital will be flourishing very nice. Welcome and congratulations, Neha.
Hello, sir. Thank you very much, first of all, for having me here. I feel like it's a very privileged moment to be a part of your team. And thank you for the warm introduction, sir.
Tell me about your studies and all, how it was eventful or something specific in your MS.
So, as you have said in your introduction, that I am a budding gynecologist. I've recently completed my MS like 3 to 4 years back, followed which I have a few of working years of experience. And then I have done, in the meantime, I also did my DNB examination and cleared my MRCOG exams. And now, after one of the fellowships in laparoscopy, I have started to thinking of venturing out further to start my own private practice. And going through one of your videos, like what is the right time to start? So I very well know that it's the right time to start now itself. There's no more delay in this.
Great. So how has been your experience in the MR surgery and DNB? Are they required after MS? Do you recommend to do that?
So practically speaking, no, these are not required. A person who is done MS can, if has confidence in his clinical skills, are very much enough to set a practice. They don't per se need a requirement to set or build your clinic or hospital in India. But yes, of course, if someone has a thought process of moving to abroad or settle in abroad, only in those situations these degrees will come to of use. For India per se, it is not important.
You're planning to go out?
No, sir, I am very much a patriarchal. I like my India very much and I want to establish my career here itself.
How long have you been our member?
I've been your member for past 6 to 7 months.
Yeah.
But I've been an active member, I would say, for the past 1 month.
Active means gone through.
I would like to say that this 1 month of being of following all your videos and whatever has been uploaded there, following inner circle videos and doing step by step has given me a great push and great motivation to start all my to help me know more about what is the advertisement, what is marketing, what is branding, how should I go about, what should I think about, is it the right time to start all of this, should I even put my money and effort right now or should I gain more of experience. 1 month of me being knowing all of this has given me a lot of insight.
This is for the audience. The inner circle vault is our repository of all the interviews that we take and whatever presentations are happening every week. Everything is put in one vault and vault matlab tizori.
Yes.
The whole vault is full of a lot of value stuff and one must visit that. If you're a member, you don't forget to take the experience of the inner circle vault. Very value-filled video.
वो खजाना है, खजाना लोगों को यूज करना आना चाहिए बस. Even my fiance, when he watches some of your videos, then he says that कि कोई ऐसे step by step हाथ पकड़ के नहीं सिखाता है. Like how to open the YouTube channel, how you can do your Facebook ads, promo, branding and everything. And that too at a very meager amount. Like मैं ये बहुत गर्व के साथ कहना चाहती हूँ कि जो हम फीस इसमें दे रहे हैं हमको उसका 10x मिल रहा है. तो वो फीस एक्चुअली कुछ मायने नहीं रखती है.
They're actually trying to add more and more value into it.
Yes, definitely. I would like to say that मेरा कोई ऑनलाइन सपोर्ट बैकग्राउंड या कुछ था नहीं. सो मैंने अपना पूरा ऑनलाइन परफॉर्मा जो भी चालू किया है, इट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ योर गाइडेंस एंड आपके स्टेप बाय स्टेप जो भी गाइडेंस रहते हैं वीडियोस उसको देखते हुए फॉलो करके चालू किया है. Like an example, I would like to say you that I've started my own WhatsApp channel, started my Facebook page, I've started my YouTube channel, and more importantly, I started my own brand, which I like to say. मैंने अपना एक brand name create किया, उसको एक logo दिया. So all of this was because of all the videos and guidance.
I started uploading some videos.
यस, मैंने अभी तक 3 से 4 वीडियो अपलोड भी किए हैं, और उससे भी बड़ी बात है कि मैंने फेसबुक एड्स भी रन किए हैं उस पे। एंड टू माय सरप्राइज मैंने कल से ही चालू किया, एंड बाय नाइट यस्टरडे आई गॉट 5 to 6,000 व्यूज ऑन द फेसबुक एड, जो मैं उसको ट्रेस कर पा रही थी।
Great beginning.
So like people, for me, I am a first generation doctor, so I was like very much skeptical कि मैं मुंबई जैसे शहर में जो ऑलरेडी बहुत सैचुरेटेड है, me being a budding gynecologist, how should I go about, how should I establish my practice, क्या करूं मैं ऐसा जो मुझे लोगों से ओवर एज दे, बिकॉज हैविंग डिग्रीज एंड वैल्यूज तो सबके पास है, लोग कैसे जानेंगे मुझे। so that is where I came across all of these your videos and platform, and सब कुछ combined, it's very good. I have no words to say about it. It really
Wow.
gives us an upper edge.
How had been your experience when you were recording your first video? Were you a little skeptical and scared?
नो सर, एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग, हमारे जो ग्रुप में इतने सारे डॉक्टर्स के वीडियोस देखे, तो मुझे उससे प्रीटी मच एक आइडिया और कॉन्फिडेंस आया था कि हाँ, जब सब लोग कर रहे हैं तो इवन आई कैन डू इट। द थिंग वाज दैट कि आई ऑलवेज हैड दिस थिंग इन माय माइंड, व्हाट शुड आई से, दैट व्हाट शुड आई पुट इन द वीडियो, बट व्हेन आई सॉ अदर्स पुटिंग द वीडियोस इन आवर ग्रुप, आई सॉ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स लाइक नॉट नीडेड मच, सिंपल टॉपिक्स जो लोगों को उसका भी आइडिया नहीं रहता। लेट मी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर, because everyone is putting, I will also put from there.
Usually यही होता है कि whatever is very simple, we just disregard it thinking that आपको आता होगा. Actually, the simple things are more required for all the people. And we have
Yes,
also experienced this in the other community which you are a part of now. The simple things people don't know.
yes, कॉम्प्लेक्स थिंग्स बताएंगे उनको, नो, बट सिंपल थिंग्स लाइक हीमोग्लोबिन, अनीमिया, यही लोगों को पता नहीं है। सो माय टारगेट, एंड अनदर वेरी गुड थिंग जो मुझे अमित सर की बहुत अच्छी ये बात लगी, मैं खुद भी ये सोच रही हूँ कि डॉक्टर्स वीडियो बना रहे हैं और दूसरे डॉक्टर्स को भेज रहे हैं, हमको पब्लिक को भेजना है।
Right.
तो वो चीज मैंने अपने अपने वीडियोस में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर रही हूँ, ट्राइंग टू स्पीक इन लोकल लैंग्वेज, ट्राइंग टू मेक इट एज सिंपल, नो मेडिकल जार्गन्स। तो ये जो छोटे छोटे टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स है ना, ये इसके लिए मेंटर होना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड वो मेंटरशिप मुझे आई गेट इट फ्रॉम योर एकेडमी। ये अवेयरनेस बहुत जरूरी है सर, ये टेक्नोलॉजी वगैरह तो सब कुछ है, बट बीइंग इन मेडिकल फील्ड वी आर सो इंगॉज्ड इन आवर ओन प्रैक्टिस that we don't know what is going on outside. So this awareness that what is the AI come, and AI भी as you say in your videos, प्लेथोरा है मार्केट में, कौन सा यूज करें, क्या यूज करें। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई गिव यू वेरी स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल सर, मैं जब ये अपना ब्रांड लोगो बना रही थी, आई वॉज सर्चिंग द होल AI मार्केट, व्हाट लोगो मेकर शुड आई यूज, बट व्हेन यू सेड मी loka.com, I instantly went there and मुझे आधे घंटे के अंदर I finalized my logo from there. Knowing the right tools is very important, और वो एक right person ही बता सकता है, otherwise Google करने से we will not find solutions.
It gives you more options and it confuses you the
Yes.
problem.
Yes.
Very important because you have seen the AI tools and AI videos also.
Yes. I've seen it and मुझे लगता है कि I should know more. I want to enroll into the AI Silver membership also.
Definitely you must. And I think you should go for Diamond now.
I'll
Because
definitely go.
all the courses or whatever services are there, you get the access to all of them.
Definitely, sir. It is a gem and I'll definitely take use of it. I'm looking forward to join very soon.
Tell me about your experience of where do you operate actually?
So these are small government hospitals currently and the small private nursing homes. For them, the laparoscopic surgery is like for the common public. My aim is to bring this keyhole surgery to the common public also. It should not be only limited to the private hospitals and to the high class peoples of the society. Should everyone have the access to these surgeries also? So मेरा टारगेट ये है कि मेडिकल फील्ड को एक्सेसिबल बनाना हर किसी के लिए, एट अ वेरी मिनिमाइज्ड कॉस्ट। आई ट्राई टू गिव माय सर्विसेज टू ऑल द पीपल एंड इवन टू दोज हु आर नॉन अफोर्डिंग टू माय सर्विसेज, आई गिव देम एट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, so that health should not be compromised. So the places where the hysterectomies has to be done, so I take my own instruments if the hospitals don't have them, or even if the patient cannot afford it, I bring my own instruments and I operate for them. If the patient can pay me, well and good, and if not, then also I give them free. Also keeping the marketing strategies also in mind, sir, I know कि free का कुछ value नहीं होता, but I keep a balance of both the things. So I can do a society service also, and at the same time I can also fulfill my pockets.
Very early in your career, you are having the fundamentals clear.
Yes, sir. Because this fundamental clear is, I think so, 50% to sir, it is because of you, your guidance. आपके और अमित सर के गाइडेंस की वजह से। आपके वीडियोस मेरी क्लैरिटी को बहुत क्लियर करते हैं। अभी रिसेंटली आई अटेंडेड वन ऑफ योर वेबिनार, योर वेबसाइट बिल्डिंग एंड ब्रांडिंग, and I really like the concept of your website and app building. It is exactly what I had in my mind, and all those facilities are being given. So definitely I'm in the process of building my website also, and very soon in 6 months time I'll be launching my app also.
Great, great. I'm very happy to see your journey growth.
Thank you so much.
Tell me then, have you recommended it to any of your friends and
Many of them. First and foremost is my own fiance, and then my colleagues also who are in the same phase of mine, struggling to build in different careers. In like, so there are my friend, few of my friends are there in surgery, in medicine, in pediatrics. They are also struggling. And the problem is that the market in Mumbai is so big that if you will be lost, if you start going to small cities, there's no problem being attached to small center. But then you have to propagate yourself. Whatever work you do, you just propagate. That's it. Not necessary that you have to be attached to bigger corporate hospitals. So I tell them that attach to smaller hospitals, but don't get lost. For that you need to do branding, and for that you need to learn that, and there is only one academy which is teaching, the Doctorpreneur Academy. Join that.
so nice of you. Actually, I'm feeling very happy because somebody is helped by the effort that we have done. We feel fulfilled that okay, our effort is not going in vain.
So even I get very satisfying feeling of that, because I was, frankly speaking, I was very skeptical that in such a place should I invest my 10,000 rupees also. At the time when I'm a budding doctor, I don't have much of the resources. Will this be useful? But now I feel no, it is fully justified. Even it is actually a very, very smaller amount for whatever I'm doing. And the prospects which I can see from this is huge. I can serve myself also, and I can serve the society also. The bigger image which I want to create, and the more impact which can put in the society, is by fulfilling both of these things.
What all videos you have made?
So there are 2 reels. There was one of the videos of yours that do not underestimate the power of 60-second videos. So I started with the 60-second video. So
Okay.
2 reels I have made. So saw in one of your videos कि हमको important days पहले तो track करने चाहिए, and then depending upon those days, like important themes and all, I start making videos on those themes. Like recently there was an STD awareness week going on, so I started with STD awareness. I made 2 reels on STD awareness, and then current topic, what is going in the market, like GBS is going on currently, so I made a 3-minute long video of GBS in pregnancy. And like, since I didn't want to do much of the efforts, what I did was I wrote the material in English and I spoke in Hindi, so it will cater both the audience.
So I'll give you one more hack that if you can write down the questions which are asked to you in the OPD, the patient, make a video of that.
Okay, sir.
Like somebody is asking कि मैम ये खा सकते हैं नहीं खा सकते, हम ये
हाँ.
करते हैं कि नहीं कर सकते. Things like those. Gynecology as well as obstetrics, what are your practicing? Put a list of those questions. And They'll go viral because people want to know these questions, answer only.
Yes, definitely I'll do that. So that's there in my mind. And also in your one of the videos, this app video, Dr. Amit said it very nicely, and it was very correct that the days have gone where people used to put the television on the clinic and they used to run few of those ads and promos there. Nobody is watching now. Everybody is on the mobiles, and exactly this is what is happening. Yesterday in one of the hospitals I went, the same thing, the television was going on. Nobody is watching that. Everyone was on their mobile. So giving them apps is very good. And as you said, I also generated my QR code for feedbacks also, so that it is easier for people to leave feedbacks. All of these things जो आप बताते हैं, I take a note of it and I try to implement it.
You got started your feedback also.
Yes, QR code feedback.
Great, great. Tell me something, a message for the young budding gynecologists who are like you but still not in the market. What is the message for them?
My most important message is, first of all, you should be very clear in your mind that what is the future what is your future, what do you want to do. You should have an entrepreneur mindset from the beginning, and then only you can step into it. Knowing the right steps, how to start, where to take, and have a mentor. Always have a mentor in this field, because it's very easy to get lost in today's market, maybe at a bigger city or a smaller city. And once into this field, once you have a mentor, step by step, start small, but start it and follow by the rule. You'll definitely reach your success. No one can stop you.
Very inspirational and very good on your part that you have taken the maximum in the academy as well as you've seen all the videos and now you're very active in the community. Thank you
Thank
for
you
sparing
so
your
much.
time.
It's all because of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for sparing your time and thank you for giving your nice words for academy. Hopefully you'll be more active and you'll get more value from the academy. So there is a link is given below and you can click on the link and join the workshop and we'll see you inside. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.